Grief is a very powerful emotion. It challenges you to rethink your core beliefs. It also puts you in a very vulnerable place where you find no coming back up. So, how do we handle grief? Also, grief comes in waves. Sometimes it comes as a big mountain, and sometimes it is subtle, lying underneath everything we do. So, how do we handle grief? If we resist grief, it becomes piled up and it can come and affect us in the future. So, to embrace grief in its entirety, we need to have certain practices that help us to feel that grief and connect with our physical body and breath. So, today's practice is going to be how do we handle grief with the help of Pranayama. My name is Joshna Ramakrishnan and this is Yoga Series with Jo. Let's begin the practice. I want you to find a comfortable space, a quiet space if possible, so that there is no distraction while you practice this technique. It's a very short practice, so take time to find a quiet space. And you can sit in any comfortable position. You can either sit in a cross-legged position or you can sit on a chair with your feet firmly rooted. And make sure there is no mobile phones or televisions in the background. So put everything in silent mode. Now, with that quiet space around you, keep your back upright. Whenever we are in grief, we tend to collapse in our chest. Start to open your chest a little bit more. Rotate your shoulders back and down and bring your right hand to your heart center. And really gently place your right hand on your heart space and place your left on top like you are protecting your heart space. Now keep your chin slightly tucked in. Let's just feel the breath in our chest for the first 5 times. Now observe if your chest is expanding as you breathe in and out or your belly is expanding. You're going to shift your attention to chest breathing. You're going to inhale for 5 seconds, hold the breath for 5 seconds, exhale for 5 seconds, hold the breath out for 5 seconds. So press your palms nicely against your chest, keep your elbows relaxed, chin relaxed. Inhale for 5. Hold the breath for 5. Exhale for 5. Hold the breath out for 5. Inhale for 5. Hold 5. Exhale 5. Hold 5. Inhale for 5. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Last time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Release your hands. Keeping your eyes closed, quickly check in with your physical body and mind, how you feel now. Do you feel any different from the time you started practicing? Do you feel calm? Or do you still feel the same heaviness in your chest? Or do you feel disturbed? Whatever that is, observe. And let's go to the next practice. Take a deep breath in. And you're going to exhale through your mouth, making a U shape with your mouth. Inhale. And go. Exhale. Inhale again. Throw the air out forcefully with the O or a U-shaped mouth. Exhale. Inhale again. Last time. Exhale. Now observe how your mind is. Your mind is calm or agitated. Mind is relaxed or tensed. You feel sad. Tears roll out. All that is okay. Observe and be present. Take a few deep breaths. And allow, in whatever form the grief shows up, to show up in your physical body and your mind. And do not have any resistance or stop the emotion. Instead of distracting ourselves from the grief, let's embrace it and see what it is when it comes to us in its entirety, without being afraid. Let it come and show up as it is. With that awareness, we'll finish this practice today. I really hope you found a little bit of sense of calm and more open-mindedness towards allowing the grief to come to you. Staying vulnerable is the biggest strength. I hope we can all find that in ourselves. Thank you. See you in the next one.